Hey guys, today I'm gonna do tips and tricks about the Apple Pencil. So I uploaded a video already about this, but the microphone just cut off. And I looked back to the original video and the YouTube published video, and it was YouTube that happened. So first tip is if you go in any search bar, I'm gonna pull this up just because just type random things. No. Okay. You can draw what you want to draw, or you can write what you want to write. So if I type in YOUTUBE, I have bad handwriting, so it might be way better for you guys. So now the next trick is you can, let me get this, just type in some random things. If you scribble it out like this, you can delete it. And another tip is if you put a line in between the words, you can separate them. If you want to put them back together, you put another line and they'll go back together. And the Apple Pencil only works for the iPad 6th generation, 7th, and 8th. The iPad Air, the old one and the new one. All the iPad Pros, I think. And the 4th and 5th iPad Mini. This is just what I think because this is just off my head. So that's just off my head. So one more for the typing. If you circle it, you can select it and then and then you can copy. I'm doing bad circles. Copy, paste, paste, and then just tap it when you want to do like paste, tap. Wait, I won't do it anymore. But yeah. So the next tip is my bad. If you swipe the Apple Pencil from here and then you swipe it like this, like that, then it will do a snapshot like this. And then unfortunately I don't think you can select it, like do border lines, but you can do that. And then what else you can do is if you turn off and tap the home screen, you can do Instant Note. So yeah, you do that, and yeah, that's what you can do with the Instant Notes. And then while we're in notes, if you like draw a circle, mine isn't really good. If you hold it, you can make a perfect circle. Same as square. That my square was kind of bad. Let's try making. If that doesn't work, you can just do this thing, that marker, circle it, and hit snap to shape. And I think you can make a, wrong marker, oval, triangle, and you can do other things too. Make a small circle and do this. Oh, it's oval. This is for words like M dot. Oh, that's D. And I'll put it there. Scribble it. This. So yeah. And other things you can do with the Apple Pencil is if you have, well, if you go here and do, where is it? Oh, I think they moved it. And one more trick is if you go to, I don't know, any app, probably, I'm just going to do Pages. I don't even know what that app does. You can plug in your Apple Pencil and you can, I don't know why you had to go on an app, I just doing stupid things. You can see the Apple Pencil right here. If you have any other Bluetooth, like a Magic Keyboard and mouse, and AirPods, stuff like that, you can see them charge, and then when you take it off, they're not charging. It's pretty decent. And if you have the extender piece, like this little rectangle thing that looks like there's two ports on either side, you can plug your Apple Pencil in the port that has a dot, and then plug in a charger to the other side, and it'll charge the Apple Pencil too. I'm not going to do that because the nearest charger is very far away. So yeah, that's all I know about the Apple Pencil. And if there's some things I missed, just go in your Tips app to Apple Pencil, do that. Yeah, I already went over that. Went over that too. Did that. Did not do that. Like I said, I missed some things. So yeah, just go in here. And yeah. Yeah, but went over that. So hope you guys enjoy. And see you guys next time.